Viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of PUJ narrowing, pelvic-ureteric junction narrowing, also called ureteropelvic junctor UPJ obstruction in a child of about 7 years. PUJ narrowing obstruction or narrowing in children is a congenital defect involving a narrowing or obstruction in the child's kidney that slows or stops the flow of urine from the kidney to the bladder. Most often, only one kidney is affected. You can see the right kidney, and it is grossly distended and measures about 19.2 centimeter into 8.4 centimeter with cortical thickness of about 0 to 4 millimeter. So there is great loss of cortical thickness due to pelvic-ureteric narrowing at the junction of the ureter with the renal pelvis. Now you can see the left kidney, and it looks echomechonormal. There is slight compensatory hypertrophy in this kidney. PUJ narrowing occurs when normal flow of urine in a child kidney is slowed or stopped, which can damage the kidney. Now, most cases of PUJ obstruction are birth defects affecting 1 in 1500 children. The patient is a child, female child, aged about 7 years. This blockage usually occurs at the renal pelvis when the kidney attaches to the ureter, the tube that carries urine from the kidney to the bladder. PUJ narrowing can interfere with the function of the kidney and cause episodes of abdominal pain. And this problem may improve without treatment, usually by 18 months of age, or surgery may be required to remove the blockage. Now again you can see the right kidney, which shows gross adenoprosis with narrowing of the pelvic-ureteric junction. This PUJ narrowing forms at the kidney, develops in the fetus, and generally occurs at the renal pelvis. PUJ narrowing can also be due to kinking of ureter tube over blood vessels, which more often leads to cause of intermittent obstruction when kidney function normally at times but retain urine at other times. Serious blockage can lead to deterioration of the function of that kidney, the affected kidney. The renal pelvis is where the urine collects to drain down the ureter into the bladder. Sometimes the connection between the renal pelvis and the ureter is too narrow. This is called pelvic ureteric junction obstruction, PUJ obstruction. You can see the narrowing of the ureter at its opening with the renal pelvis. The standard treatment of pelvic-ureteric junction obstruction is open pyeloplasty. Many individuals with the PUJ narrowing do not realize that they have this condition until late in life, when they begin developing symptoms such as pain or develop urinary infections. Hereditary hydronephrosis is an autosomal dominant trait that causes unilateral or bilateral pelvic-ureteric junction obstruction. UPJ or PUJ obstruction is often diagnosed during prenatal ultrasound when the enlarged kidney is seen. For those that occur later are not detected at birth, symptoms suggesting pelvic obstruction include hematuria, that is blood in the urine, urinary tract infections, kidney infection, kidney stones, and abdominal discomfort. Now, this pelvic obstruction occurs in about 1 of every 1500 births and is responsible for about 80% of all swollen urine collecting systems. Males are affected at more than double the rate of female, and the left kidney is affected about twice as often as the right. Hydronephrosis is common cause of acute kidney injury. Less frequently, it may lead to hypertension. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.